Are your wiper blades old and worn out? On your Citroen Berlingo or Peugeot partner, here's how to change them. First of all, you might notice it's quite difficult to access them like this, and you can't because there's a bonnet. So, with the key in the ignition, but the ignition not on, tap once down on your wiper stalk. This puts your wipers in your service position. You can then lift up your wiper and service your wipers. It's very easy to actually do this. I might even be able to do this with one hand. You push in this little tab here. You see that little square tab? See it, see it, see it, see it. Let's get the colour changing right. There we go. Just a little tab in the middle there. I'll put it back down on the windscreen so you can see it, so you don't think I'm fibbing. There's a little tab just there. There it is. Push that tab down, slide it out. So we push that tab down and then we're going to slide it out. Can I do that one-handed? No, I can't. So here we go. Pushing the tab, slide it out. That was easy. The new one, we're just going to slide it in. Easiest wipers ever to change, really simple. Pushing the tab, slide it out. Let's try that with the new one. Here we go, here's the new ones. So we just lift it into position, like so. Slide it down, clicks in. One wiper blade done. That's handy that the ladders are here, that's always useful. Let's see if we can do this again. One-handed, push in the tab, slide it up. I'm gonna have to get in my second hand, hang on. Looking at the sky, pushing the tab. Sometimes they're a bit stiff. There we go, and she's out. Once again, she's out, pushing the tab, slide it up. The nice new ones. So literally a 30-second job this. Yeah, there it is. There's our new one. There's our little tab piece. Yeah, just slides in from above. Slide it in, nice and steady, till you hear the click, and you're done. Get it past the ladders. Maybe yours doesn't have ladders. And then on the wiper stalk, stay with the key in that same position, key in but not on, tap down again, and it should go back to service position. If it doesn't, just turn the ignition on, and then tap it, and then it'll go back from service position to its park. There you go. Job done, nice new wipers. Well done you. Go and have a cup of tea and celebrate. And why not post a nice picture of your new wiper blades on Instagram and say, hey, look, me, I'm a mechanic. Well done. Good job. Give yourself a thumbs up and give yourself a like. Thanks for watching Piggypower.